The Cold War and Finland 1945 to 1991. After the Second World War, Europe was divided between the victors, that is, the United States and the Soviet Union. The Soviet Union turned the countries of Eastern Europe into communist states. The United States left its army in Western Europe to protect it. A political and military rivalry began between the two superpowers. Both were afraid that the other would start a war. The United States and the Soviet Union built thousands of nuclear weapons that could have destroyed human life on the entire planet. Finland was between East and West in the Cold War. Finland was an independent and democratic Western country, but the Soviet Union influenced Finland's choices. In 1948, Finland made a treaty of friendship, cooperation, and mutual assistance with the Soviet Union. According to the treaty, the Soviet Union would help Finland in war. For Finland's independence, such a situation would have meant a great threat. Finland wanted to be neutral in the world divided by the great powers. However, Finland was not as free as it would have liked to be. It constantly took into account the interests of the Soviet Union. Finland's president during the Cold War, Urho Kekkonen, was in power for 25 years. The Soviet Union trusted Kekkonen, and as a result Kekkonen gained an exceptionally large amount of power in Finnish politics. Freedom of speech weakened in Finland because people were afraid of the Soviet Union. Western countries criticized Finland for flattering the Soviet Union. However, Kekkonen rejected many Soviet demands and brought Finland economically closer to Western countries. The Cold War ended when the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991. At that time, the present Russian Federation was born. For Finland, the end of the Cold War was a great relief. Finland's positive attitude towards the Soviet Union, which was nevertheless a dictatorship, aroused much debate in the country after the Cold War ended.